Welcome everyone to our video about technology company NVIDIA. We will tell you about its story, its purpose and its products, as well as the different jobs it offers to the general public.
NVIDIA and its achievements over the years. 1993, NVIDIA was founded with Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Brim, with the belief that the PC would one day become a device for consumers enjoy games and multimedia. At that time, there were just over 2,000 of graphic chip companies and numbers at it. He was shot 73 years later. In 2006, NVIDIA was the only independent company in operation. 1994, NVIDIA reaches its first strategic partnership with ECG Thomson Microelectronics to manufacture the company's single-chip graphical user interface acceleration. Diamond Multimate System was selected to install the chip in Multimate Acceleration cards. 1995, NVIDIA NUB1, the company's first product, is released. The PC cards was sold as a Diamond Edge 3D with a dual D 3D graphic core based on quadratic texture mapping. 1996, NVIDIA presents its first Microsoft DirectDrive compatible with Direct3D and Happy hosted for rendering 3D graphic where performance is critical. 1997, launch of Riva 128 1 million units sold in the first 4 months. 1998, Semiconductor Association for Fable chooses NVIDIA as company most respected private fabless in this industry for the second consecutive years. 1999, NVIDIA invents the GPU. 2000, Microsoft selects NVIDIA to provide graphic processor for Xbox, your first game console. 2002, NVIDIA is the company fastest growing in the United States. Fortune magazine names NVIDIA America's fastest growing company. 2003, company acquires MediaCube, a leading multimedia and graphic technology company for wearable devices. 2004, it launches Iriarte, increasing the graphic power of single PC. 2005, NVIDIA develops the processor for Sony PlayStation 3. 2006, company reaches 500 million distributed graphic processor. 2007, Forbes names NVIDIA Greatest Company of the Year. The company achieves its first quarter with revenue of $1 billion. 2008, Tegra mobile processor launched. NVIDIA launches the Tegra mobile processor, which consumes 20 times less power than a typical notebook and offers blazing performance. 2009, NVIDIA works with Google to launch Android on the Tegra processor. 2010, NVIDIA powers the world's fastest supercomputers. 2011, company reaches 1 billion distributed processor. 2012, NVIDIA launches GPUs based on triplet architecture. NVIDIA repowers every Oscar-nominated film for the Best Visual Effects category, included the Hugo winner. 2013, introducing the Tegra 4 family of mobile device processors. 2014, handheld games reached a turning point with the launch of Tegra K1 and the shared tablet. 2015, NVIDIA joins deep learning with launch of Tegra Skis1 NVIDIA Drive. 2016, NVIDIA Digi is one team, the first of the both deep learning supercomputer. It allows supercharged ads application. 2017, NVIDIA employs smaller AI with heavier deep learning Volta. 2018, NVIDIA reinventing computer graphics with Turing architecture. 2019, NVIDIA announced advances in the market of HPC, embedded application, data center, autonomous vehicles, and professional graphics. 2022 date, NVIDIA becomes the most valuable semiconductor company in the United States by market capitalization.
NVIDIA started in 1993 as the time tech company foundation begins. Chris Malosky and Curtis Prime was just one of a dozen semi companies making graphic chips on what was considered the two right direction for the next revolution in the world of computing. Was graphics-based computing since the model could solve problems almost incomprehensible for class or general purpose and what was the most complex problem to solve at that time and in which computer graphics could lend hand. Obviously, the development of better video games it won't take long to prove. In 1995, they would launch their first production, the NVIDIA, which other time will come the saga to why live to one of the most played titles of time, Virtual Fighter. After that initial success, they present the first drive for Microsoft Direct, full entering the world of digital entertainment. This bet will be consolidated with the introduction in 1997 of Rival, a one grande 28, considered the first one grande 20-bit 3D graphic processor in the world. It would sell more than 1 million units in the first 4 months, so in order to respond to demand, it would sign a collaboration agreement with teams which goal to bench to intervene in the manufacture of the brand's graphic chips.
The countries where NVIDIA has a presence are Ireland, Albania, Andorra, Anguilla, Australia, Bahamas, Barbados, Belgium, Bermuda, Bosnia, Virgin Islands, Bulgaria, Canada, Canary Islands, Cayman Islands, Croatia, Seychelles, Denmark, Dominican Republic, Estonia, Faroe Islands, Finland, France, Germany, Gibraltar, Greece, Hungary, Iceland, Ireland, Israel, Italy, Jamaica, Latvia, Liechtenstein, Luxembourg, Malta, Mexico, Montenegro, Montserrat, Morocco, Netherlands, Macedonia, Norway, Polonia, Portugal, Puerto Rico, Romania, Saint Bartholomew, Saint Pierre, Serbia, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland Island, Tunisia, Turkey, Caicos Island, Virginia Island, United Kingdom, United States. In the latter is where its hardware are located.
Now I will tell you some of the jobs one as a person can get with NVIDIA related to IT. The first one is Senior GPU System Software Engineer. NVIDIA is searching for a creative and highly motivated engineer with expertise in system software to join the Integral System Software organization. This position offers the opportunity to have real impact in a dynamic, technology-focused company impacting product lines ranging from consumer graphics to self-driving cars and the growing field of artificial intelligence. What you will be doing: design, develop, and test case aspect of our GPU kernel, driver, and embedded firmware with a focus on enabling best-in-class power, performance, security, and safety that will be used across Linux, Unix, and Android. Perform safety, security analysis of the design and implement mechanisms to stay in sync with product-specific safety, security requirements. And work closely with multi-functional teams such as hardware and software teams to understand requirements for a new hardware, software APIs, and implement solutions ranging from low-level hardware abstraction layer to software that utilizes EOS kernel software. What we need to see from you: hands of technical experience and demonstrate excellence in an environment with complex software and hardware design, strong understanding of multi-core hardware, operating system design, concurrency, virtual memory, caching, interrupts, devices drivers, and real-time programming. The second one is System Software Engineer. We are not looking for a senior system software engineer to work on our Integral System Software group. The best candidates will have excellent C or C++, a thorough understanding of operating system and kernel programming, a good understanding of computer architecture. You will work closely with both hardware engineers and other software engineers to design, develop, and debug the diagnostic software stack used for the sheets. What you will be doing: develop drivers or tests to see them through the field software development life cycle, and work closely with software engineers, hardware, and art teams to implement and optimize features of the diagnostic solution used for various systems on a chip SoC use cases. What we need to see: strong C or C++ programming skills, familiarity with SoC architecture, and ability to work close to the hardware, and previous experience of working on a large modular system software code base is preferable. The third one is System Software Engineer. We are now hiring a system software engineer to join the NVIDIA System Software group focusing on automotive platform diagnostics. The position will be part of a dynamic crew that builds and maintains software for complex heterogeneous computing systems that power complex automotive products used in self-driving cars, navigation and infotainment, black seat entertainment, and instrument clusters. What you will be doing: designing and developing diagnostic middleware and diagnostic application for NVIDIA SoC and GPU hardware-based automotive platforms, and architecting and driving new diagnostic software solutions that cater to all phases of the product's life cycle, bring up manufacturing, hardware qualification, failure analysis, and in-vehicle diagnostics. And what we need to see: strong C or C++ programming skills and object-oriented programming skills, experience with low-level or driver-level programming, and understanding of processor architecture fundamentals, preferably ARM.
One of the products that NVIDIA has provided is what is the NVIDIA Data Science Workbench, which is the perfect tool for data science development. This tool offers a resources such as engine, GPU, optimized containers, automated software updates, and GitHub content at the click a button. The benefits that the NVIDIA Data Science Workbench gives is that it provides magnitude, rapidity, and usability for data science, data engineers, and AI developers, and it can be easily installed, ensuring you have the latest GPU optimized software for workstation. We're also going to tell about another great product from the NVIDIA company, and is this product called the NVIDIA RTX the Spot Manager. This product helps you maximize productivity by optimizing your workspace, dashing, and also allow you to work faster thanks to the following optimized features, and for tune the optimized such a custom workspace with the easy navigation for individual windows and daily process. Support the major cross-industry applications you can develop, launched and signed in single click. Powerful deployment tools and window manager to enjoy the customized desktop. The benefits of the NVIDIA RTX the Spot Manager. RTI is designed to fit where you work. NVIDIA RTX the Spot Managers allows the professionals and all industries to quickly switch between multi-application workspace such as mechanical engineering, modeling, and animation, architecture, engineer, and construction, in finance, marketing, information security, and many other applications.
Thania dedicated the browser they can connect it anywhere and provide the maximum performance for the multiple simultaneous user anywhere in the world to the server grant. AI system to require no the data center power of the calling in the cloud for NVIDIA 100 Tensor Core GPU at the top of the line server grant CPU, ultra-fast NVMe storage, and the QTN, the PC, the hand for users, along with remote manager so you can run it like a server ring. AI computer to data center team, delivering data center technology with an additional data center oriented infrastructure. Powerful performance and the Fury optimized software attack and direct access to NVIDIA DG experts ensure faster time to signing what the server for today. Agile data center team working in the corporate office, labs, resting facility, or either from home. It's a sleepy plug into an AI standard world outlet so you're up and running in the minute and work from anywhere. It's the world only office system wide for fully interconnect and the mixed captive NVIDIA 100 GPUs, leveraging NVIDIA Neuralink to run parallel jobs and the multiple users with incapacitated system performance. Train large models with a full GPU optimize the software attack and of the 320 GB of GPU memory.